Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well, and welcome to another video. And I'd just like to wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope that you've all had some opportunity to get some special time with your family and your friends over the Christmas and New Year period. Now, the purpose of today's video really is to share with you a couple of bargains which I managed to acquire over the Christmas and New Year period. So without further ado, without further waffle, I'll spin the camera around. Okay. Right folks, so first up then we have this item here. This is a Magnusson Jabsaw. So this is a purchase from Screwfix under a very good promotion, and the thing about this is the fact that it's not your typical jab saw. It's got two blades rather than one. So this then is something you would typically use for cutting to size plasterboard, cutting timber, that sort of stuff. And, you know, it's something which has a lot of utility, assuming of course it's any good. As I say, the thing about this though is the fact that it differs from most jab saws because it's got two blades. So anyway, look, what I'll do, look, I'll put some of these specs on the screen, and we're just going to open this up now and we're going to take a closer look. Now today then, I haven't got my Leatherman with me, so I'm going to use this puppy here. So this beautiful bit of kit is a Wenger Ranger grip. I can't remember what model number, but they are still available. I'll put the model number on the screen. So this is your a sort of a premium folding knife for the outdoors, for bushcraft, that sort of thing, for survivalists. Absolutely beautiful piece of kit. I have done a review on this in the past and compared it with a Leatherman. I'll put a link in the description below so you can actually check it out and just get an idea as to what a beautiful piece of kit this is. So anyway, without further ado, we'll just open up this packaging. Try not to cut my fingers off. So the deal with this then was, as I say, from Screwfix, and basically if you spent over £10 and 1 pence, you got £10 off. So basically if you could find a product for £10 and 1 pence, you can get it for 1p. So that was an offer which I thought was too good to resist, and I started searching in earnest and located this puppy here. So let's just put the packaging to one side. So that's the item in question then. So it's got a plastic handle and it has two blades. They're also locking blades. That's interesting. Yeah, so this mechanism here, look, you can use to lock the blades. It looks as if you can lock them in. Can you lock them in different positions? Let's have a look what we got. Let's put that back there, look. Okay. So this one here is clearly a blade which you can use to cut wood, plasterboard. Now the other blade, to me it looks like a hacksaw blade, you know, but I mean due to the very fine teeth here, but when you look on the description and specification on the website, it doesn't actually mention hacksaw blade, so which I found a little bit strange because this has all the hallmarks of a hacksaw blade. But anyway, look, so you can lock this in different positions. So you can lock it, yeah, in a number of different ways. Look, that's quite handy. And it folds back into the handle, as does this one here, I imagine. There you go. So that's the item folded. So the deal then was, if you spend over £10 and 1 pence, you get £10 off. Now the price of this was reduced from £15.99 to about 12 quid. So I ended up getting this for £2. Now £2 is an absolute bargain, assuming of course it's any good. Now when you look at the website, when you look at the descriptions, it does talk about it being a high quality item for longevity, so in other words, so you don't need to keep replacing the thing actually. So therefore, you know, you've got a less of a carbon footprint. You're not, you know, wasting raw materials, buying these things, chucking them and then sort of buying new ones. Okay, so that's the logic behind it. But anyway, can I get this frigging thing out? Or is it one at a time? I have a feeling it is. So that's in there, look. Let's press that in there, see if this will come out, and it will. Okay, so again, this blade, it can be locked. It looks as if it's in 2 or 3 positions, so it can be locked in the handle at 90 degrees to the handle, and obviously, oh, okay, there. All right then. So, you know, that's quite handy. It gives you some options, doesn't it? So the blade itself then is made of steel. The handle's made of plastic. Now, I noticed something quite interesting on the description. Let's just see if we can find it. Specs. Here we go then. So, it says Green Star Claim. Just there. And what it says this product has been designed for longevity. Keeping products in use for longer helps to reduce the demand for new products and the creation of waste. And it comes with a 1-year guarantee. Now, that all sounds absolutely superb, doesn't it? But when you look at the reviews, all is not as it seems. And the reason is because the main issue with this, I mean, look, I'll still maintain it's an absolutely superb bargain for £2. But the main issue is this locking mechanism here for these blades. Apparently, it doesn't take too much use for these to fail. So I suppose one of the disadvantages is the fact that you can't lock it into the handle for safety. When you're actually using the thing, if the blades won't lock into place, there's a chance that they might come back and, you know, do some serious injury to your fingers. So you need to bear that in mind. But for £2, that is an absolute bargain. Okay, so I was well happy with that. So that leads us to the next obvious question. Well, what's better than one of these bargains? And the answer is, quite simply, 2 of those. So these 2 items cost me £4. And even if I only managed to use them a few times, then, you know, I still think, I would still maintain that it's worth it for 4 squids. Okay? So that's the first bargain. And also, what you might notice is the fact that this blade, it does appear to catch a little bit on the inside of the handle. I'll do a few closer shots. So I haven't actually used these in earnest yet, but I'm always doing different projects, so we'll be using these very shortly, and I will give you some feedback following the use. Now, would I pay full price for this? Would I pay £15–16 for it? And the answer is no, I would not. I just don't think it's worth it. The principle of having the 2 blades is absolutely spot on. It seems like a really good idea, but it appears that the joint, the locking mechanism, just lets this thing down. Okay, so £2 is a bargain, 15–16 quid most certainly is not.